In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account with MoneyGram. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you've downloaded and installed the MoneyGram app on your device, and now you're wondering how to create an account. Simply open up MoneyGram for the first time. Then from here, it will say MoneyGram would like to send you notifications. So click allow. I'm going to click allow again. You can click deny if you don't want to receive notifications. And now from here, we'll say, where is your primary residence located? So we need to select the country. So, and you need to do this to provide residency documents for this country when creating your account. So from here, select a country. I'm from Australia, so I'm going to click Australia, and then I'm going to click continue. Now from here, I want to click onto sign up, create a new profile. So I need to put in my email, put a password and my phone number. And from here, I need to click agree and continue. So I'm just going to fill this in now. All right, so I've filled out the form. And from here, I'm going to click on agree and continue. Then from here, you can activate your fingerprint authentication to access your account even faster. I'm going to activate it because it just makes things a lot quicker, or you can choose to go no thanks. And now I need to create a new profile. So they use this additional personal details to help secure and protect your profile. So put in your first name, last name, middle name if listed on ID, second last name, put in your address, your date of birth, and then click continue. Then after you've filled that form, it will say, would you like to earn discounts when you send money? So if you would like to earn discounts, scroll down and then click yes, sign up. And then you've got to also toggle this on, I understand and agree to the MoneyGram Plus rewards. So you can do yes, sign up, or not right now. I'm just going to do not right now. Then from there, it will say, welcome to MoneyGram. Thank you for downloading the MoneyGram app. Now you have the power to send money to hundreds of countries and territories, invest your funds and earn rewards all in one place. So from here, just click out of this. You can read all that stuff if you like. I suggest you do, so you get familiar with the app if you don't know the app. Then from here, go ahead and click on get started. And just like that, you've created your MoneyGram app, or your MoneyGram account, sorry.